Good morning, children. Wish you all a very, very happy new year. May God bless you with lot of love, prosperity, and good health. I know you have enjoyed your vacations after exams. You have enjoyed Christmas party. You have enjoyed New Year party. Somewhere Santa must have come and given you some nice gifts. Right, so now it's time to study back. Yes, and I am going to tell you a very nice lesson today about respecting our environment. Yes, children, I have taught you this in earlier lessons also, that we should take care of our environment. We should keep our surroundings clean. And today in this lesson we will see the same. So let's read the chapter. Perfect Park. Shalini was sad today. The park in the neighborhood was ruined. Mr. Sharma had used the park for his daughter's wedding. A beautiful canopy was put up with splendid decoration. Everyone in the colony was invited. Shalini had gone with her parents wearing a lovely dress. The bride has looked beautifully and the food was delicious, and people had danced and had a good time. Everything had been perfect. So now this lesson is about environment. So there was a park in a neighborhood wherein Mr. Sharma has planned his daughter's wedding. So there were nice canopies and decoration was done. The food was very delicious there, and everybody enjoyed and danced in the park. But today when Shalini visited the park, she found that things were not good. She found that many plants were uprooted to make space for the wedding canopies, and the flower bed were dry. All the plants were damaged and the leaves were wilting. Shalini stood under a big tree and looked around sadly. The park was littered and paper plates and empty paper bottles. It looked ugly. So now in the morning when Shalini went to the same park, the park was very dirty. सब वो empty bottles and paper plates were kept there because उनको वो canopies लगानी थी. So what they have done is उन्होंने गड्ढे खोदे थे वो canopy fit करने के लिए, तंबू लगाने के लिए. तो उससे काफ़ी plants मर गए थे. Suddenly she heard weeping, but there was no one else in the park. Hello, she said. Who is there? She asked. Hello, came a voice from above. What happened? Why are you crying? Asked Shalini. Well, you see, yesterday the men came and dug up so many of my friends. All their roots are exposed. They are lying in the corner trying to breathe, said the tree. So now Shalini heard that somebody was crying. So she said, nobody is in the park. Who's crying? And suddenly she saw the tree crying. शी सेड कि बहुत सारे लोग आए थे, उन्होंने गड्ढे खोदे और मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स थे, मेरे जो छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स थे, उनको उतार के निकाल के ऐसी साइड में फेंक दिया, एंड अब वो ब्रीथ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. शालिनी नॉडेड एंड सेड, येस आई कैन सी देम. सो शालिनी बोलती, हाँ मुझे दिख रहा है कि काफ़ी प्लांट्स मरने वाले हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, द ट्री सेड, दे कट माई ब्रांचेस टू बिल्ड अ फायर, सो मच ऑफ शेड एंड फूड इज गॉन. And a squirrel family lived in one of the branch. They had to run away for life. They swept all my seeds from the ground. Some of them were ready to germinate. Now all my friends and children will die. So the tree is saying that, see, it is not just these plants, but they have cut off my branches also to get fire, to get wood for the fire. They have spoiled my seeds also. There was a nice squirrel family staying in the tree. That family also ran away, and everything is now ruined. My children, everything is now dying. Shalini could not see the damage done to the park anymore. She wanted to make everything right. Wait, I will get help, she said to the tree and hurried. So Shalini said, don't cry, I will go and ask somebody to help me out. You don't cry, please. She went around the colony and collected all his friends. She told her friend how bad their favorite park was looking. We must clean the park and help the plant and trees, she said. Why should we do it? Asked Tushar, one of his friends. Mr. Sharma is responsible for dirtying the park and ruining the tree. It is his duty to set it right. The plants do so much for us, Shalini said. They protect us from sun and rain, give us fruits, medicines, they give us oxygen, they give us fresh air in the park, and that is because of the trees and plants. Can't you do this much for them? She asked. So now Shalini ran and went to his friends and said, come, 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 let's go and clean the park. So one of his friends, Tushar, said, why should we clean the park? Mr. Sharma ruined the park, so he should clean it. So Shalini is saying, don't say that. Plants and trees give us so much, so we should also clean it. So, and all of us were there last evening enjoying the wedding, said Balam, another friend. We all were responsible for dirtying the park. Shalini is right. We should help, she said. So now one of his friends says, we were there in the evening, we enjoyed the food, we enjoyed the dance party, we were there in the park and we also ruined the park. So we should go and clean the park. The children reached the park with big baggage, with garbage bags, spades and bucket full of water, and all the garbage went into garbage bag and the uprooted plants were replanted and watered. The park looked perfect again. Shalini found 2 seeds on the ground. She picked them up and sowed them at the border of the park next to the bench. Just imagine, she told her friends. This seed will grow and become as big as the other trees. We will have more shade and more fresh air. Shalini looked at the tree and saw that its branches were waving in delight. So all the children went to the park, they cleaned the park. The plants which were uprooted, they planted it again, they gave them water. So Shalini found 2 seeds lying on the ground, so she planted those 2 seeds also and watered it. So Shalini was very happy that now the park is neat and clean, and even the tree was happy seeing that the plant was neat again. So children, the moral of the story is we should always keep our surroundings clean. If you are using something, if you are using a park for a party or for your enjoyment, make sure that you leave it clean. Don't throw chocolate wrappers or bottles or paper plate or your chips wrapper on the ground. Put it in the dustbin. Whenever you have time, please go water them. Keep water for animals, keep food for animals, and keep your surroundings clean. So if we keep our surroundings clean, we will have a healthy body and a peaceful and a healthy mind. Always remember that, children. Okay, this was the lesson about the perfect park. I hope you enjoyed the story and you will also keep your surroundings and your park fresh, neat and clean. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, take care of your environment and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.